Jarggin AI just dropped, and if you're even thinking about using it, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Trust me, there's a reason this software is already getting serious attention in the AI space, and by the end, you'll know whether it's the right fit for your workflow or just another overhyped tool. And yes, you can try Jarggin AI completely free using the first link in the description. I'll break down what it actually does well, where it might surprise you, and the one thing that shocked me after using it for 48 hours straight. Let's start with the basics. Jarggin AI is an all-in-one generative content tool, but not in the typical write me a blog post kind of way. What separates it is how it blends tone control, fact-checking, and real-time source referencing. If you're in digital marketing, SEO, or any kind of content-heavy industry, this matters. I've tested countless AI tools, and Jarggin's ability to shift tone between professional, witty, or technical without sounding robotic is genuinely impressive. Second, the UI is clean, seriously clean. It feels like Notion meets ChatGPT, but designed for speed. Everything loads fast, and prompts are organized in a way that doesn't overwhelm you. Even if you're not tech savvy, it's intuitive, and that's rare with new AI releases. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jarggin AI doesn't just generate content. It learns from your writing style and past projects if you let it. Upload a few docs or paste in your website, and you'll see content that starts to sound eerily like you. For brand creators and agencies, that's huge. Fourth, Jarggin AI supports multilingual output with surprisingly accurate nuance. I ran tests in Spanish, German, and Japanese, and it wasn't just translation. It adapted tone and phrasing per culture. If you deal with international clients or audiences, this is a sleeper feature most people overlook. Another thing, the integration stack is growing fast. Right now, you can already connect it with Google Docs, Slack, and Trello, but there's Zapier and Notion support on the roadmap. I see this becoming a central hub for teams that work in async environments or want to cut the copy and paste middleman out completely. Now let's talk limits, because no AI tool is perfect. Jarggin AI does have a learning curve if you're trying to fine-tune tone profiles or build reusable prompt workflows. But once you're set up, it becomes one of the most time-efficient AI writing assistants out there. And finally, here's the kicker. Most AI tools fall apart on long form. Jarggin doesn't. I tested it on a 2,500 word thought leadership post, and not only did it hold context the entire time, it cited sources inline without being prompted. That's the kind of reliability I rarely see outside enterprise level software. So if you're wondering whether Jarggin AI is worth your time, yes, it absolutely is, especially for marketers, consultants, and creators who want a content partner that learns with them. Remember, you can try it free right now from the first link below, no credit card required. And if you're curious which other AI tools are worth your time, I've added my personally tested top picks in the description. After trying thousands of AI apps, these are the ones that actually deliver.